Good morning, today is Sunday and I'm wearing my Cold Dark North t-shirt because today's race is hosted by Cold Dark North. Cold Dark North, if you don't know, is Toby. You might have seen him in my Ride Across Britain videos or when we were up in the lakes with Rafa. We had a chat to him then. So today's race, you're probably telling my voice, I feel like out of breath and like nervous already, which is ridiculous. But I do feel a little bit nervous because it's a hilly race, it's a road race, and it's cats 1 to 4. And I'm cat 4, and I raced 3 and 4 last week and just got spat. So I'm like, oh my God, this is going to be rough. This is going to be a tough. I don't want to go into it thinking that it's going to be tough. I'm just going to go and have fun. And if I'm the last one back, I'm the last one back. Is that everyone's fear though when they race or when they do anything like that? You always think you're going to be the last one. If I am, I am. And I'll just put it down to experience and a bit of good fun riding up north. Also, I don't know whether I mentioned, it's a, I think it's 65 or 75k. I've read both, so yeah, it's going to be long. Let's get taking the Live bike just because it's got lower gearing, so I've got my road pedals on actually, so we shall see. It's hard to do with the camera there. God, seamless. What a pro. So I've arrived and I'm going to go and get hand my licensing basically. The weather is beautiful, definitely not cold and dark, but yeah, so we'll get in the queue.
Hiya, how you doing? Hi. Hey, nice branded
got
t-shirt.
My
Good job. How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah. Rubbish, do you need pins?
Yes, please.
Rubbish weather, isn't it?
Bloody crap, absolutely terrible.
It is a bit breezy actually out there.
Is it?
Yeah,
not compared to last week.
No, Jesus, no.
Thank you.
What number do you need? You sign yourself in?
Yeah.
You are 11. Got
my kit on and just seen Laura, who you've not met yet, who is also on Crimson performance team, and it's it's like excitement, nerves, and then everyone just, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I just feel like, oh my God, I'm so out of my depth, what am I doing here? But I'll give it a go and just see how I get on, I guess. So yeah. I don't know how much I'm going to actually be able to film. This is really hard on race days because the camera, obviously you're not allowed to put GoPros on your bikes. So you miss all the start. I might see if Toby will actually hold my camera for me. I don't know where he's going to be based. I might go in and ask him actually and see. He might in fact, he'll probably just get some on his phone and then he could WhatsApp them to me. Yeah, we'll do that. I hope this is interesting to you. And I think sometimes I just like to be honest with you and like tell you when I'm feeling like, oh my God, what am I doing? I feel totally out of my depth, like I've just said. But if I'm crap, I'll just carry on and be last. So, back from the race. The inevitable happened. Well, it's not inevitable. I was dead last. It was, even though I was dead last, I absolutely loved it. Like, I can't even tell you how much I enjoyed it. Like, there was a group of 5 of us at the back, but even on like the rollout, they were going so hard, and I'm like, oh God, I can't keep up with this. And then they just set off. They were so fast, and I was like, right, I'm just gonna give it a good blast. I felt like I just saw it as a bit of a workout, and me getting used to like corners and getting used to descending and getting used to riding in a group. And God, look at the state of my hair, Jesus. Overall, I did really like it. So even if you are scared about being the last, just go and do it, because even though I have been the last, I thought I was going to feel like sad about it. Hang on one sec. Yeah, I thought I was going to feel really like disappointed with myself and just like, oh, I don't want to be the last. But it's happened now, and I was saying to the girls before, I would rather be last in like a group of really strong riders than being at the front of riders that aren't as strong, because how am I ever going to get better if I'm just riding with people that aren't as strong as me? Obviously it's nice in like social stuff, but like for racing, like I want to get better, and I'm only going to get better if I keep pushing myself, and I've got to ride with people that are faster, and that might mean that I'm at the back. But so yeah, I'm going to go down, have a chat to the other girls. I'll introduce you to Laura, who you've not met yet, and we're just going to have a quick chat about how the race was. So I'm just going to get my jumper on? Hoodie on? Hang on, I'm going to move you back while I get out of the car. God. Shit. Just say hello, how did you find the race? Hannah?
Interesting.
It was tough on it. Oh, by the way, this is Laura. You've not been introduced yet. We were. How did you find it? 'Cause
It was, yeah, pretty tough.
It's
pretty
hard,
tough.
wasn't it?
Yeah, attacks from the start. Usually you get a bit of a lap to sort
Yeah.
of ease into it, but it was sort of hardcore.
So we were saying from like the rollout, we were just like, Jesus Christ,
yeah,
this is hard.
and it's been in those pelotons of sort of bigger.
Loads of people.
Yeah,
At speed.
But you're second cat, so you're like, you're strong.
Apparently not.
No, you did. How did you finish with the pack?
No.
It all
so-
spread
so
out,
fast.
didn't it?
Yeah,
It was
Like
insane.
at the finish, everyone was just in ones and twos.
Yeah,
but you know, you kind of use it as a bit of a training session, don't you? So
that's exactly what I said. I was like, it's just a training session. But no, it's good fun. And the kits look nice. At least look good. Also, I think it's worth noting that today's ride was my first actual ride with, you ready? Road shoes. And actually, God, I actually really like them. I thought I was gonna really hate them. I've used mountain bike pedals for all the time that I've been cycling, well, when I've been clipped. And I actually I just feel a lot more solid. I don't know whether the pedals that I currently have got like a little bit of slop in them, but they felt so tight and secure, and just the power just was yeah, I liked it. Obviously it wasn't that good because I was dead last, but that's something I need to work on. That's not the shoes' fault. But yeah, let's go and I'm gonna get a quick drink, take my numbers back, maybe go and have a chat with Toby, and I don't know, I feel good. I feel real good actually. Just fun. Just a fun little workout.
Mark's gone there.
Let's have a look. Let me record them for the others. Go on. She's got marks on her head where the helmet's been. Serena gets it as well, it's not just you. You can be
Special
marked twins. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thanks for the cheering.
You're welcome. You were
Thank you
flying.
for the picture.
I got some good pictures of you.
I've seen them, I'm like, they're amazing, but thank you so much.
Ellen will have better ones, but.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for putting on. Obviously, Cold Dark North. Let's put this on. So, thank you so much.
Do you want your race license back?
Yes, please. Thank you. Thanks for the cheers.
Well done.
See you again soon.
Yes, definitely. You staying for the presentation?
Yeah.
And first, the winner, number 33, Justin Lang.
So well done to the winners who absolutely just caned it. One thing that, even though I was last, one thing that I really liked, sorry I'm just coming through a gate, I'll see you later. One thing that I did really like about it is just the amount of women that were just killing it, absolutely smashing it. It's like something to aim towards, and I just like having that inspiration there. So yeah, so nice. And obviously thank you again to Cold Dark North for putting on the race. It was actually jointly sponsored by Jam Cycling and also Crimson Performance, so that's a nice kind of end to the video, I reckon. So yeah, I think my closing thoughts are, don't be scared to do something just because you think you're going to be last, because you'll just miss out on so much stuff. Even though I was last, I genuinely really enjoyed it. And yeah, don't be put off. Go and try something that you want to try. And yeah, God, I'm hungry. Right, let's go and get some smoothie. See you next video. And it is Mother's Day, and just thought I should just I don't know, just say Happy Mother's Day to my lovely mum who watches all my videos. So thank you, Mama. She messaged me, this is just like the loveliest thing. She said, oh, good luck, Kookaburra. And I was like, thanks, I was last. And she said, but did you enjoy it? You're always a winner for me. Oh, isn't that lovely? See, we're always going to be a winner to somebody.